Good morning and Happy New Year. I'm in Costa Rica right now. I wanted to make a video for you. I am just in our first week of the new year and I've been thinking about what I wanted to share with all of you. And I just came through 2017 and I had two really big trips. One was going to Africa that I've shared with all of you, and the other one was coming to Costa Rica, which I've wanted to do since I was 13. Both of these trips have been 30-year-long dreams of mine. And what I wanted to share with all of you for this year as kind of an inspiration, because it's been so life-altering for me, these two trips, is if there's something that you've always wanted to do in your life, maybe a trip, maybe it's that trip to Mexico or that pottery class or that cooking class, or you wanted to learn a new language, or you wanted to start taking yoga, or your sleep has always been bad and it's always something you've wanted to work on, or your health, your energy, whatever it is, now is the time. I know that's such a cliche, but now is the time to make those changes, because I've realized I'm 43. I don't mind saying I'm 43. And I don't know how much longer I have to live. Incidentally, sadly, this week a plane crashed not too far from where we are here, and it was two families, mother, father, and their kids, both American families, and the pilots and one other young lady. And it really hit close to home for me because I'm here with my family, and I was thinking about these families and the pictures I saw with them and how happy they looked, and I realized that this is it. Our time is now. Life is happening right now. And if we keep putting off what we wanted to do, there may not be a tomorrow or next year or 5 years from now or 10 years from now. And the money may not ever be there and the time may never be right. So make the time now. I want to encourage you, whatever it is, if it's your health, if it's a new hobby, if it's spending time with your family or time by yourself or a relationship that's not working, this is the time to make the change right now. And maybe you can't make a change today or tomorrow or next week, but you can think about it and start planning and working on it. And whatever it is, I encourage you to start making those small changes that will get you to where you need to go. Okay, I promise you, I read this quote actually this week, that you will not be ever disappointed at the end of your life about the things that you did do, but with the things that you did not do. And I can tell you from perfect experience, although it may not always be perfect in the moment, but from my own experience, that the things that I'm doing now, they were scary and I didn't actually have the right money and the right time. But I did it anyways, and then somehow the money came and the time became right and all of the resources came to me to make it work, and I did not regret a single moment of it, and it's made my life only that much better. So that's what I wanted to share with you for this new year. It's a time of rebirth, renewal. Every day is, but we have a tendency to really look toward the new year as a renewal for ourselves. So if that's something that's important to you, take this time, think about what it is in your life that you've always wanted to do, be it small or big, and start taking small steps in your mind today. Write it down on paper, how you're going to make those changes, or do that trip, or take that class, whatever it is, okay? So lots of love to all of you. Happy New Year. Thanks for being part of my life. I'm so grateful that you're with me on this journey. Lots of love.